Are you struggling to find that breakthrough idea? Do you stare at your screen waiting for genius to strike? You've been lied to. The greatest ideas in history were not born in a crowded office under stress. You think you need more noise or more coffee to be creative? Wrong. The real secret used by history's greatest minds is to do nothing at all. And science just confirmed the sweet spot. This isn't about chilling out. This is about unlocking the 50% extra capacity of your brain that you didn't even know existed. Every day, your brain is addicted to focusing. It's analyzing emails, traffic, headlines, and social media. This is your task mode. It's good for filing taxes, but terrible for new ideas. When your brain is stuck in task mode, it's like a computer with 1,000 tabs open. It slows down, it overheats, and it can't run new programs. Your creativity dies right there. So, how do you force the computer to shut down all those tabs? You need a cognitive cleanse. Scientists call it the default mode network. Think of it as your brain's idea factory. It only opens when the main office is closed. And the best way to close the main office? Nature. Studies from the University of Kansas showed something shocking. People who spent just 4 days immersed in nature, away from their screens and constant noise, saw their creative problem-solving skills jump by 50%. Why 4 days? Because it takes that long for your brain to finally stop focusing on the city chaos and realize, okay, I can rest now. When you're walking a quiet trail, the focus needed is soft, watching the trees, noticing the sounds. This soft focus is the secret back door that turns off your task mode and turns on your idea factory. The rocks and the trees aren't distracting you, they are doing your mental housework for you. You, the hiker, are not just getting exercise, you are engaging in an advanced creativity protocol. While others are trying to force ideas out in a coffee shop, you're letting the earth reset your hard drive. The reason those hikers solved problems 50% better? Their brains finally had the quiet space needed to connect old information in brand new ways. That's the definition of genius. So when you return to your job or project, you're not just rested, you are a different person. You're bringing back a mind that is literally twice as powerful at generating original, successful ideas. Stop trying to force the solution. Give your brain the 4 days of quiet it demands. You don't need a loud mentor, you need a quiet forest. If you are facing a wall in your life or your work, your mission is simple. Go find a place where you can hear nothing but the wind. That is where your next brilliant idea is waiting. And you? Tell me in the comments below if you already had a great idea while walking in nature. I'm waiting. If you love the secret of the default mode network, like and subscribe to become a mental athlete. Thanks for watching.